Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Many of you have been asking me to show on how to do Alankaram for Bala Tripura Sundari, and that is why I thought I'll make this video. And I have got a very special dress also stitched for her. So the dress that I'm going to show now, it is going to be put up for sale. So just in case if you want to buy the dress, and there are some jewelry that I'm going to use for her. So some of these jewelry will also be put up for sale. So just in case if you are interested on how to learn this kind of an Alankaram, and if you are interested in purchasing these items, then please do not miss to watch this video till the end, because this video is going to come out really well. So in case if you want to buy any of these items, then please send me a WhatsApp message on this number and I'll be getting back to you. So to start with, for this Alankaram, this is the dress that I'm going to use for her. Okay, so this is the blouse bit. Okay, and over here you can see that we have got cute sleeves also made for this, and this is not going to be a full blouse. This is going to be like a half blouse. I'll just show you what I mean by half blouse in a minute. And this is the dress that we have got stitched, and all of these items are going to be available on sale. It's just going to take a few days for me to release a catalog for each one of these dresses. Okay, so just please bear with me, but you will be able to purchase each one of these dresses from me. And this particular dress is going to be available in 13 colors, and this is silk variety, and there are going to be many beautiful patterns which are going to be available. Now first let me just fix the blouse and show you. And I hope now you are able to understand what I mean by half blouse. It's not going to cover her complete waist, and the reason why I have got this kind of a blouse stitched is because I want to do the Alankaram for Bala Tripura Sundari in the exact same manner that is shown in this particular photograph. So that is why I got this blouse customized for her. Now all we need to do is just tie the skirt. Now when you are tying the skirt, don't tie it up, tie it down. Okay, Now putting this beautiful waist belt, Again, each one of these jewelries are available on sale. So just have a look at my latest video and you'll be able to find a catalog for each one of these jewelry. And especially this kind of a gold covering jewelry which is there in my catalog. It is actually made from copper and there is a gold polish which has been given to it. So tomorrow, in case if the gold polish goes, which is highly going to be unlikely, but just in case if it goes after a few years, you can just take each one of these jewelry to any of the jewelry showroom and you can just ask them to give a gold polish, and that's just going to solve the problem. So these jewelry are going to be one-time investment for you and they're just going to look very, very gorgeous. And instead of using a hair wig, I'm just going to use this kind of a hair bun which I had made. There is already a video on this where I've shown on how to make it. And I'm going to use this kind of flowers to tie her hair bun, okay? And this is actually a waist belt for a flower jewelry that I had ordered. I'll be making a video on this kind of a jewelry very soon. And these are also put up for sale in my jewelry catalog. So just in case if you want to buy these kind of jewelry also, you can purchase, and they are available for very small idols, okay? And now you can see this completes the Alankaram for Bala, Tripura, Sundari. Now let me just do a little bit of background Alankaram and I'll get back to you. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.